Imagine the world has ended. No electricity, no safety, no one coming to save you. You're exhausted, but you can't sleep. Not because you don't want to, because sleeping might get you killed. So you stay awake. 1 night, 2 nights, 3. Here's the terrifying truth. You wouldn't die from hunger first. You wouldn't die from thirst. You'd die from not sleeping. In survival situations, sleep feels like a luxury. Predators, enemies, fear, noise, cold. Movies tell us heroes push through exhaustion like machines. Reality? The human brain breaks fast. Tonight, let's enter survival mode and see what actually happens if you never sleep again. Day 1 without sleep feels manageable. Your body pumps adrenaline, your senses feel sharper. You think, I can handle this. But quietly, something starts slipping. Your reaction time slows. Your judgment gets sloppy. You start making tiny mistakes. In survival, tiny mistakes are deadly. By day 2, the world feels wrong. Your hands shake, your vision blurs, time stretches and snaps like broken film. You might hear footsteps that aren't there, see shadows move when nothing moved. Your brain, desperate for rest, starts creating reality. At this point, many people don't realize they're impaired. That's the most dangerous part. Day 3 is where survival truly collapses. Full hallucinations begin. Voices, faces, threats that don't exist. Your brain can't tell friend from enemy, safe from dangerous, real from imagined. Some survivors report intense paranoia, believing someone is watching them, even when they're completely alone. Now your body joins the rebellion. Your immune system crashes, your heart rhythm destabilizes, your metabolism breaks down. Wounds stop healing, simple infections become lethal. And if you're injured at this stage, your chances of survival drop to almost 0. Here's the cruel irony of survival. Staying awake feels safer, but it quietly guarantees your death. Sleep isn't rest, it's repair, it's survival software. Without it, you don't just get tired, you lose who you are. In the end of the world, the strongest don't survive, the fastest don't survive. The ones who understand the body do, because the apocalypse doesn't kill you loudly, it waits. And sometimes, it wins while you're trying to stay awake. If this made you think differently about survival, hit like. It helps Sketch Scare reach more survivors. Subscribe for dark survival science, apocalyptic sketches, and stories from a world on the edge. And comment below. How long do you think you could stay awake and still survive? Welcome to Sketch Scare. Sleep wisely.